How's it going, everyone? It's NJT Track Guy once again. I am in Newport, New Jersey, and I'm going to bring you a very quick look of One World Trade Center. At this point, we're becoming really close to the top. We're at the 104th floor, and now the parapet steel is going up, which means we're going to be topping out really soon. Really cloudy out here today. It's worse this morning, but it's cleared up a bit. So, right there's One World Trade Center, along with 4 World Trade Center. And if you look at the top there, you can see the parapet steel. You have to look really closely. Also, I believe the first corner sections, the corner splices, have been delivered and are about to be installed. In fact, I think one is installed on this end. When I'm looking at it now, I think the first corner splice might be installed on this end. Really amazing. It's truly amazing. I'm gonna walk further down here so I can get a somewhat closer look at everything. And maybe I'll go back to the Jersey City side, away from Newport, later. Depends on how the clouds are. Now it's a bit shaky, but it's because I'm walking. I'm gonna see if I can get a corner node. Bring you a look at the corner splice that's installed right there. And really closely. Take a look at this weather we're having. It's been very hot all week before here in New York and New Jersey, so this is cooling it down. If you hear a whistling noise, I think that's the wind blowing through all these boats. So yeah, once again, there's 1 and 4 World Trade Center. 4 World Trade Centers topped out once again. I know it's been topped out for about a week or 2 now, maybe even 3 weeks. But, you can see some more glass right there. And the parapet steel Freedom Tower. Okay, I'm going to try to bring you a quick, straightforward look at that first corner splice. The corner has been installed on this end of the tower. Now, my zoom is not that powerful, but you should be able to see it right there at the very top. That's the first corner splice to be installed. There's Tower 4. And of course, right now we cannot see towers 2 or 3. They're way behind the 1 and 4, but you can get an idea how they're going to look. Connected all the way to the top. It's sticking right there between the two cranes. That's the corner splice. I believe at this time it's the only one installed. July 2012. Let's move on. Get one more trade center. Steel, and you can't really see the corners quite because the crane is right behind it from this angle. I'm going to move a little further down so I can try to give you a better look. Tower 4 has more glass. Advancing quietly. Tower 3 is starting, and Tower 2, well, honestly, I don't know what's going on with Tower 2. I think they're holding it for right now. Some sources have said that Tower 3 actually got to go ahead. I can't confirm that right now. Now, all I can do is wait and see on Towers 2 and 3. I believe they're going to be built, but it may take a little longer. Center. Well, it's not directly in the center. It's below the parapet steel. Tower 4 is finishing up. decided on a date for it. Extreme heat that we've had the last couple of weeks. And we're just now starting to see so I'm still thinking about it. Please check my date soon. And when that day comes, the update will be posted. I'm NJT Amtrak Guy, and I hope you enjoyed this quick look video. The New World